Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with a small son. They loved him very much. One day, the farmer said to his wife, "We must have a pet. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion." So, once upon a time, there lived a farmer and his wife in a village, and they were having a very small child, very small son. And they want a companion for their son. Companion means a friend. So they decided that they will have a pet. The farmer gave an option that they will have a pet, and when the son grows up, the pet will be a companion for their son. Companion means a friend. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. It was a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. So they were searching for a pet, and now they got a pet, and that is a mongoose. And both the baby and the mongoose were growing together. And in 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown its to its full size. And it was a lovely animal, very lovable animal, and it was having two shining black eyes and a bushy tail, a very bushy tail. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She rocked the baby to sleep in his little cradle and went to the market. She asked the farmer to keep an eye on the baby. After some time, the farmer also went away. So, after many days, after many months, one day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She has to do some shopping. So she rocked the baby to sleep. She made the baby to sleep in its little cradle. Cradle means a small bed for the babies. And went to the market. And she asked the farmer to keep an eye on the baby. Means she asked the farmer to look after the baby. But after some time, what the farmer has done, he also went away for doing some work. So now we know the baby and the mongoose is all alone in the home. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. So after some time, the farmer's wife returned from the market and she has bought a basket full of groceries. And when she reached the home, she saw the mongoose sitting outside the home as if it is waiting for her. On seeing her, the mongoose ran to welcome her. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" she cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. So, while seeing the farmer's wife, the mongoose was happy. The mongoose came running towards her, but the farmer's wife was afraid to see the mongoose because she had seen blood on its body, and she screamed. Screamed means cried. And the face and the paws and the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means covered with blood. It was full of blood. The mongoose was just has taken a bath in the blood. It was looking so horrible. She thought that the mongoose had killed her son. She picked up the basket and killed the mongoose. Then she ran inside to the child's cradle. So all of a sudden, the lady got agitated and she thought that the mongoose had killed her son. That is why the mongoose is now covered with blood. So due to that anger, what she has done, she just picked up the basket that was full of groceries, and with that basket she killed the mongoose. Then she ran to the child's cradle just to see what happened to her child. Obviously, she's thinking that the child is no more. That is why, due to that anger, she killed the mongoose. When she reached the child's cradle, what she has seen there? The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. Then she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. So, touch wood, nothing happened to the baby. The baby was sleeping in its cradle, and on the floor we can see a black colored snake that was torn by this mongoose, and it was bleeding, it was almost dead. Then only she realized that what had actually happened. Actually, the mongoose had saved her child from the poisonous snake. So she immediately ran out looking for the mongoose. Now the lady is crying, "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What I have done?" She cried, touching the mongoose. So now this lady is literally crying, and she is crying that you have saved my child, and what nonsense have I done to you? I have killed you. The mongoose had died. She repented her hasty action. So now that lady is having that feeling, that guilty feeling that she has done a wrong deed. She is repenting. She is feeling sorry for her hasty action. Hasty means sudden action. Without thinking logically, she immediately reacted. That is why she killed the poor mongoose. So I hope you understood the lesson, and I request all of you to comment below the moral of this lesson. Thank you for watching.